Hello, I'm Michael
And I'm Jill.
for Michael and Jill's Travel Adventures. Click below to subscribe to our channel. Hello, Michael and Jill here with Michael and Jill's Travel Adventures. Tonight we're looking at folding our luggage tags that were printed from Carnival.com. Basically, you're going to get a luggage tag, piece of paper like this. Basically going to fold the first one over like so. I've never been real good at doing these. Get it kind of even, fold it down, fold this one over like so, fold it in the middle. Now you have your Carnival luggage tag right here. Now, if you don't have the plastic holders, like a lot of people don't go and purchase these. We bought these in 2016. You can see how used they are. Basically, you just take this, wrap it around the handle of your luggage, and staple or tape that into place. What we do is we take these and stuff these down inside these cute little holders here. Close that up. Now this comes apart. Put that right around your luggage and you are good to go. Completely reusable. Like I say, we've had these since 2016. We've done at least one cruise a year. So that is how that is done. Until next time, see you soon.